Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have your Trust Wallet installed already. But if you don't have one, if you haven't installed it yet, make sure to install it, install it before proceeding to the next steps. So go ahead and search for Trust Wallet extension. uh, and now that you've seen it, what you will have to do is simply just download it. And after you download your Trust Wallet, what it will be visible once you click connect. So it should be right here. It should be added here. And then what you will do is basically just click Trust Wallet or select it, and then you will just have to confirm your wallet address and that it matches the one that is displayed on Uniswap. And finally, you are connected and you will be ready to swap tokens or provide liquidity. And you should always double check addresses before confirming transactions. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.